Okay, so now we are going to deal with the activities here and the certificates. Okay, so let's go back to the models and start from the models.py. First thing is the activity models.model, and then we have the following. First thing is the title, that is models.character field. By the way, I can copy this one and modify it, by the way, because they are mainly similar. Okay, title, I need a title, correct. I do not need neither a start nor an end date. I need a description, I need a hyperlink, I need a logo. So perfect. The only thing, I will change this to activities. And one last thing is that, as you know, that in the admin panel, this one is going to be activity plus SS. Why? Because this is the general way how the admin panel deals with the models. So in order to not let it do that, I will create something called the class meta, and I will say verbose underscore name underscore plural is equal to activities, this way. So now it will be shown as activities on the admin panel. An additional thing is the class certification, so I will copy this one and paste it again, and now I will remove this one because I will call it certification. Here we go. And here, instead of activities, we will have certificate. One last thing is to copy this one, paste it here, jump, this one should be in this way, and finally we have this one again. Okay, so now we define both activity and certification. The next step is to register them in the admin.py. Okay, so here we'll start by creating or instead of creating, let me copy this one and edit it. So the first one is going to be activity admin. We need this one, and it is ID, thumbnail, title, and it doesn't have a category. We'll copy it again, paste it again, and this one is going to be for the certification admin. Now we need to register them, so copy back. The first one is going to be here, and the second one here. Instead of these, we need to import here edux activity and certification. Activity admin, certification admin, and here we go. Now we have everything. Stop the server, make migrations, migrate, and then run the server again. In the meantime, we come back here and we add them. So we add activity and certification, and here we need to say activities is equal to activity.objects.all. Same for certificates is equal to certification.objects.all. Great. Additionally, we have activities and certificates. This one should be between single quotation and certificates. There we go. Now let's go to the template and start working on the template. Okay, so here, as you can see, we have the activities section, and here what we are going to do is since we have this one is repeating, as you can see here, I will remove this one and I will remove this one as well. It's enough to have just one single one and repeat it according to the for loop. So I will start from here and I will say for activity in activities, and then what I need is to say here that I want to the activity dot hyperlink. Sorry, no, this is for the image. It means that this is not correct. Instead, this should be activity dot logo dot URL, but I need to add a hyperlink here to the image itself, href equal to, and this one is going to be activity dot hyperlink. I think we forgot to do that in the models, so let me check it. So let me finish this one first. Target, I want it to be underscore blank, and close it. Save. Coming back here, we need a title, description. Oh, we have it already. Perfect. So now let's continue. So we have this one. The last thing is the activity.title, activity.title, and the activity.description, type safe. Activity.description, pipe safe. and the loop. I will end it here. By the way, we need to insert records at the end, but let's finish this one first. Now we have the section for the certifications. So as you can see, we have different certifications that is shown in this way. So this is the object that is repeating. So let me remove the others. So remove this one as well, and remove this one. This is for the slider pagination, so I need to keep it. Let me start from here. So what I want to say is that for cert in certificates, and let me just make sure that I called it okay, certificates, correct. I have here the image, so the image, and also I need to add a hyperlink here as well. So what I'm going to do is to do the same, a href equal, and then target equal underscore blank, and then we continue here. Here we have cert dot hyperlink. We have the image, so it is cert dot logo dot url, and we need to close the hyperlink for sure. Cert dot title, and finally we have here the description, so it is cert dot description safe. Great. So we can say that we completed everything here. The last part is to go to the admin panel, insert some records, and then coming back to check the results. So I will open here. We have these two. I will stop recording, insert records, and then we come back to see the result. So now we are here. Let me show you the records. So these are the records and the activities. As you can see, the name, it is activities as we specified it in the class meta in the models.py. Certifications are here. Great. Now coming back. Or no, let's stay here and check the results. So resume, we have an error in resume. Maybe I forgot to load something. Let's see. We have end block, fine. We have block content, extend base. Everything should be correct. Let me recheck the error. So as you can see here that it is written that it's expected an end for. So maybe one of the loops, we forgot to close it. This one is open and closed successfully, so here it is, this one. And let me close it here. So since it started here, I will close it, and for save. Now refresh. Okay, another error, that is a typo here. This one should be small c and not a capital C. I'm just making sure about everything. Now refresh, and here we go. We have here the activities with the hyperlink for sure, and here as well we have in the certificates everything specified perfectly. Great. So we can say that we completed the resume section. Starting from the next video, we will start working on the projects, which they are something similar to a blog post. Thank you.